Hi, Chris O'Connor here, VP of US Sales for Chocolate in Lanco, and I'm having a fantastic day because I just got in my UPS delivery our new donut and coffee mailer. So I want to open this up and show you what we have here. It's a wonderful item for somebody looking for a way to start their work week, or if you're trying to show appreciation for a hard day's work and need a nice pick-me-up in the afternoon. Starts out with a 14-ounce coffee mug, and what better to go in there than fresh brewed coffee. We also have two delicious snacks here for anybody that might have a sweet tooth. Dark chocolate covered espresso beans, a delicious and great way to get a pick-me-up in the afternoon. And one of my favorites, one of our newer items, and these are our donut hole candy bites. So these are a fantastic and delicious treat. One of my personal favorites. It's a new item that we just added. So I hope you like what we have here. We have a lot of new items in store for you, and please let me know how I can help you on your next project.